AI can't replace these human traits. Find out why. In the digital symphony of the modern age, where AI conducts many of the operations that underpin our daily lives, the unwavering human touch remains an indispensable element. Humans stand as the ultimate bearers of responsibility and accountability, a role that technology, no matter how advanced, cannot usurp. While AI systems can process and analyze data at superhuman speeds, they lack the capacity for moral reasoning and the ability to be held accountable for their actions. This intrinsic limitation of AI underscores the necessity of human oversight, ensuring reliability and trustworthiness in outcomes. As much as AI can learn and adapt, it operates within defined parameters, unable to fully comprehend the nuances of human ethics and accountability. Therefore, it is the human touch that maintains the balance, providing oversight in AI-driven processes, and guaranteeing that the march of technology aligns with our collective values and societal norms. In the intricate dance between humans and AI, trust is the foundation upon which successful partnerships are built. This trust is cultivated through the setting and communicating of clear expectations. When humans articulate the objectives and limitations of AI systems, it creates a framework within which these systems can operate effectively and transparently. Effective communication plays a pivotal role in trust building, as it bridges the gap between the binary logic of AI and the multifaceted reasoning of humans. By maintaining open channels of dialogue, stakeholders can ensure that AI tools are used appropriately and ethically, fostering an environment of mutual understanding. Case studies of successful human-AI collaboration often highlight scenarios where clear communication has preempted misunderstandings and aligned AI functionality with human intent. For instance, in healthcare, AI systems that assist with diagnostics are more readily trusted when clinicians are involved in the development process, ensuring that the technology complements rather than overrides their expertise. Similarly, in finance, AI tools used for fraud detection gain trust when they are integrated with human oversight, providing a safety net that only a human can ensure. These examples underscore the fact that when clarity and communication are prioritized, trust in AI not only blossoms, but also paves the way for groundbreaking advancements that are both innovative and reliable. In a world increasingly governed by specialized algorithms and narrow AI applications, the human edge lies in a comprehensive understanding of various environments. Unlike AI, humans are equipped with the ability to integrate legal, social, political, and economic awareness into their decision-making processes, allowing for a holistic approach to problem-solving. This multifaceted awareness sets humans apart, enabling them to navigate the complex web of interdependencies that define our world. Moreover, the value of interdisciplinary knowledge cannot be overstated in an age where specialization is the norm. It is the breadth of human understanding that often leads to innovation, as insights from one field can inform and transform practices in another. The ability to draw connections between disparate areas of knowledge is uniquely human and is a critical component in the advancement of AI itself, ensuring that technology serves the broader objectives of society. In the face of an uncertain world, the human approach to risk management becomes a critical asset. People possess a unique ability to anticipate potential pitfalls, weigh the likelihood of various outcomes, and take proactive steps to minimize risks. This capability extends beyond the analytical, encompassing an intuitive understanding of the broader context in which risks arise. Balancing the drive for innovation with caution allows for progress while mitigating the potential for negative consequences. As AI propels us towards new horizons, it is the human capacity for caution that ensures these tools do not lead us astray. Furthermore, humans excel in developing resilience and adaptability when faced with setbacks. Unlike AI, which may falter outside its programmed parameters, humans can learn from experience, adapt their strategies, and recover from failures. This resilience not only safeguards against the unforeseen, but also provides a safety net that encourages responsible experimentation and the pursuit of innovation. In the burgeoning landscape of AI, the human role in upholding ethics and regulation becomes paramount. Adherence to regulation and law remains a distinctly human responsibility, as AI lacks the capability to understand the complexities and nuances of legal systems. As society becomes increasingly technology-driven, ethical considerations take on new dimensions and complexities. Humans must navigate these challenges, ensuring that AI applications align with societal values and ethical principles. The role of humans in ensuring AI's ethical application is critical. They must not only program ethical guidelines into AI systems, but also continuously monitor and refine these systems to prevent unintended consequences. It is through human vigilance and ethical foresight that AI can be harnessed responsibly, fostering trust and safeguarding the integrity of our technological future. At the heart of human endeavor lies the imperative to serve and enhance society, a principle that remains ever relevant in the AI era. Humans, through their unique capacity for empathy and ethical judgment, play an irreplaceable role in mitigating the negative externalities that may arise from AI deployment. By prioritizing human-centric AI development, we ensure that technology advances are not just impressive feats of engineering, but also beneficial tools that uplift and support the fabric of society. The societal benefits of such an approach are manifold, fostering an environment where technology serves the greater good, guided by the thoughtful hand of human purpose. In the professional realm, reliability is a currency that boosts demand for human expertise. A reputation for consistent performance can overcome the stigma of past failures, positioning individuals as dependable assets in a competitive landscape. To maintain high reliability, professionals can adopt strategies such as continuous skill development, proactive problem solving, and a commitment to ethical standards. These practices not only enhance individual reliability, but also contribute to a collective trust in human capabilities, which is essential in complementing AI's role in the workforce. As we have explored, human qualities such as accountability, comprehensive understanding, and the ability to manage risk and uphold ethics remain in high demand in the AI era. These attributes underscore the complementary relationship between humans and AI, where each enhances the capabilities of the other. Looking ahead, the role of humans will continue to evolve, becoming ever more intertwined with AI, yet distinctly invaluable. It is through the harmonious integration of human insight and AI innovation that the future of work and society will be shaped, balancing technological prowess with the timeless value of human touch. Humans are in charge.com, prompted by a human, performed by machines.